Imagine a world where the phrase out of stock is never used for the human heart. A world where you don't have to pray for someone else to pass away so you can keep living. A world where your new liver, kidney, or lungs don't come from a donor, but are printed using your own genetic code. What you're hearing isn't a plot from a Christopher Nolan sci-fi film. This is the beginning of a new chapter in medical history that we are stepping into between 2025 and 2035. Today, we're taking you deep into a technology often called the God Machine, a life-creating system known as 3D bioprinting. But why should we be excited about it now when 3D printing has been around for years? Because recently, one of the biggest legal barriers has fallen. The FDA Modernization Act 2.0 has removed an 80-year-old requirement that all new drugs must be tested on animals first. This turning point allows scientists worldwide to use bioprinted human tissues for drug testing instead, making it both more accurate and more humane. And if you think this is just a small experimental project in universities, think again. The 3D bioprinting market is projected to soar to $7.2 billion by 2030. Behind that number lies the hope of hundreds of thousands of patients waiting for organ transplants. In the United States alone, over 100,000 people are on waiting lists, and tragically, an average of 20 people die every day while waiting. This technology isn't just about innovation, it's about life and death. Now let's get a bit nerdy. How do these printers actually work? The key lies in something called Bioink. This isn't ordinary ink, it's a living mixture made of stem cells, biomaterials like hydrogels and growth factors. One of the biggest challenges researchers face is vascularization, the creation of blood vessel networks. To print a life-sized organ like a liver, scientists must build capillaries finer than a human hair to deliver nutrients to every single cell. Taking it even further, there's a technology called organ-on-a-chip. Instead of printing full-sized organs, scientists print functional human tissue onto small chips to simulate how the body responds to drugs. This helps solve the valley of death in drug development, where 90% of drugs that pass animal testing fail in humans, because ultimately, the human body is far more complex than a mouse. On the business side, major players like Bico, Cellink, and OrganOnAChip are in fierce competition. While North America still holds the largest market share, the Asia-Pacific region, especially China and Japan, is accelerating rapidly with strong government support and more flexible regulations. We're also seeing a shift in business models, from simply selling printers to offering subscription-based Bioinks and personalized tissue design services, opening new opportunities for investors and professionals in health tech. One of the most fascinating breakthroughs goes beyond Earth itself. The best lab for printing human organs might not be on this planet, but aboard the International Space Station. In microgravity, bioprinted tissues can maintain stronger and more complex structures, up to 4 times better, without the need for scaffolding. We are entering an era where the most advanced human organs could be manufactured in space and delivered back to Earth for transplantation. Beyond medicine, this technology is also transforming the beauty industry. Giants like L'Oreal are already using bioprinted human skin to test products instead of animals. It's a powerful example of ethics evolving alongside innovation. But every breakthrough comes with new questions. As machines begin to create life, we enter a new realm called biosthetics, describing products that are part living, part synthetic. Who truly owns a printed cell? How will laws protect these synthetic life forms? And most importantly, will health insurance cover these expensive treatments to ensure equal access for everyone? From 2025 to 2035 will be a defining decade in which humanity rewrites the meaning of life itself. From the limitations of animal testing to the success of on-demand organ creation, every movement of a printer head isn't just building layers of cells, it's creating second chances for human lives. Thank you for joining this journey into the future. If you enjoyed deep dives into world-changing technologies like this, don't forget to follow and share your thoughts. Are you ready for a world where life itself can be printed in a lab? See you in the next episode.